Out to show you my environment this morning. We had a heavy snow 4 days ago and the whole place is all covered up in snow. So let me show you how I'm dressed up for the day. Just a minute. See what I'm wearing. When I get out there, then I'll have to cover my head. But for now, let me show you what I have in here. This is our main area. So I have this jacket. Then I have this one. So this is warm enough, but still I have to layer it up with a coat. Okay. So I'll walk you around and you see how much snow we received. So you see out here is all covered up. We had snow 4 days ago. Wow, wow, wow. It's all breezy. Like you see, the whole of this is covered. Let me just walk you around a little bit. And then I come back to the house. So like you see, it's all like powder, you know. Look at this. So this is going to take some time, but when the rain falls, it's all going to melt away. And when there is cold wind, look at the squirrels enjoying the weather. Look at it. When there is cold wind, it freezes. So this is what you see here. So the sun is up, but it's breezy, very cold. So this is what you see here. Because of the weather, people can't move out unless you're really warm. So when there is cold wind, the snow gets iced up and slippery. So driving and walking is very tricky, so you have to be very, very careful and vigilant, otherwise you can slip and fall. So see all this. So let me just walk you up a little bit. So this is, we had the snow on Sunday and today is Thursday, so you can imagine what it was like on Sunday. Sunday was terrible. Vehicles got stuck, vehicles rammed on each other, you know, so You only pray for rain. When rain comes, then it will dissolve. It will melt away. And then we can get back to normal. But before it gets to that, we expect another storm on Sunday. So which means it's going to pile up again. I'll just walk you up to the end of the road and then you come back down here. Before the snowstorm, the weather reports had always given people a heads up of this big storm that was coming. So people had to prepare, people had to stock up food. Make sure you don't have to go out unless you really needed to during the snowstorm, and that is what most people did. Some people stayed out of work, some stores never opened. In fact, most stores never opened completely because of this. Yeah, so basically that was what was happening. Mountains of snow. Snow looks beautiful, yes, but very inconveniencing. And by the way, there are different types of snow. I'll do a video and explain to you the various types of snow that we have. So look at this. Doesn't it look beautiful? It looks like sand. Those are the trucks that clear the snow away. Like here, those trucks do the clearing to make the place passable. So up to the end of the road. So you can see all this walk you here. This is supposed to be a walkway, but it's all covered up here. This is a walkway. You see that? Those are trucks that clear out the snow. Walk you back down and I'll end my video there. show you our tennis court is all covered in snow. The swimming pool is all frozen. Let me show you. So now this is melting. You can see. This is now getting melted. That is our tennis court there. It's all covered up.
Either way, still that's fine. Still works out.
Let me go show you the pool. Up there is a sitting area. Like you can see, the seats are all covered in. But of course, the pile has reduced because of the sun. It's somehow melting off. This is a sitting area. The play area for kids is there. This is a play area. I don't think I can even have access to the pool. There's no pathway to the pool area. It's all covered up. Let's try and see. My hands are freezing. So the whole of this week it's going to be very, very, very cold. As per the weather forecast. The sun will be up, yes, but the cold will be too much. I'll show you the pool. You can see they've cleared the pathway to the pool. You see. Yeah, this is a pool. Oh my god. So that is the pool you see there. All that is covered in. Yeah, so this is my surrounding. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give the video a like. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.